guys, it's your girl Sanala, and in this video I make cinnamon rolls. Welcome back to Cooking with Sanala. It is season 1, episode 2, and today we're going to be making cinnamon rolls, as you heard. Sorry for the sound in the background. My brother's down here playing on the Xbox and he's very loud. I don't understand why he has to be so loud, but he's very loud, and I apologize for that. Yeah, we're just gonna get into it. Nothing much. I'm gonna tell you the ingredients you need along the way. You will need to bake this here recipe. You will need a 9 by 9 inch baking dish or larger. I don't think it really matters all that much. Do whatever you have, and it should come out the same. By the way, I'm making this without yeast because, as we know, that is basically gone. Mom tried going, and it's a very sacred thing for some reason, and it's not in the stores. So this is a cinnamon roll recipe without yeast for all you sweet lovers who can't find yeast as well. Hot, bro. This light right here, it makes me very hot. Maybe if I change it to cooler light. Look the same, feel the same. Right now, we're gonna start off with the ingredients you will need for the dough.
Tearing out pieces of me to replace the broken pieces of you. Tearing out pieces of me to replace the broken pieces of you. Tearing out pieces of me to replace the broken pieces of you. Tearing out pieces of me to replace the broken pieces of you.
First, you want to start off by taking a big, large bowl, and you want to place in your flour, your baking powder. My mom's gonna get so mad because I'm literally using all of her shot glasses to hold these ingredients. Cinnamon and salt. Yes, now we're gonna whisk that together. Now in a small saucepan over low heat, you're going to combine your milk and your butter. Cook this just until the the butter is melted. Alternatively, you can definitely put it in the microwave. I don't know why I didn't do that. Usually I take the lazy way out, but I didn't. So just gonna add the milk mixture to the flour, and using a spatula, mix just until combined. Now we're gonna knead it. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't even know how to knead. I really don't know how to knead. So when I learn, I will teach you. You probably can't even hear me. When I learn how to knead, I promise you I will teach you. But as of now, I'm just gonna look it up. But I'm literally watching a video on how to knead dough because I genuinely have no clue. They say to sprinkle some flour. They say to sprinkle some flour on top, so that's what we're gonna. Ooh, flour feels so nice. We're gonna do that. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Salt, bay, tight. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle.
Spoon, or just your hand.
think it's working.
Until the dough is smooth, silky, and elastic. About 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Okay, I think it's done. To you, it probably looks the same way it did when I started, but I think I made a lot of improvement. Let me tell you, leave that. Ow. Smooth ball, this is what it is, a smooth ball. If the dough feels overly sticky, add more flour as needed, but do not over-knead the dough. I don't think it's over-kneaded. I think it's pretty cool. Cover the dough loosely with a damp towel and let it rest for 15 minutes. We don't have any towels. I'm just kidding. You're not ratchet if you don't have a towel. But we're about to just grab a paper towel and hopefully that works. I really don't know if it will. Okay, so we got our damp towel. So we're just gonna take our dough, knead it properly, but we're just gonna give a leap into faith. Drop it in there. And we're going to cover it with a damp towel. Oh my God, this is such a ratchet situation. Wow. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Why don't I have an eensy beensy conversation with you guys? Ben, are you good? Did you watch my latest video? If you didn't, go check it out. It's a collab with Jada Jones. How has quarantine been treating you guys? Like, has it been treating you good? I know you can't answer me, and I can't hear your answer, but I could see your answer if you put in the comments down below. We have 5 minutes left for this thing to go off. I'm watching Neza on YouTube. That's what I do all the time. I always watch KNEAD in the squad. But yeah, it's really hot, as you can tell with my gleamy, gross, disgusting, oily skin. You can tell. It's really hot right now. I don't know why it's so hot in my house, because it's usually freezing cold, like below 40. Like below 0 degrees. Like, we live in Antarctica. So let's bring our work surface back out. Here's the reveal. I'm nervous. It should have risen, but if it didn't, then oh well. Oh wow, it stayed the exact same. On our workspace. We're gonna stick some flour on our workspace. Stick some flour. Lightly. We're going to roll the dough into a triangle. And then we're gonna roll into a rectangle. A triangle? Come on, dude. Okay, I hate this so much, but this just won't go to where this is.
Tearing out pieces of me to replace the broken pieces of you. Tearing out pieces of me.
What am I on today? All right, whisk together the brown sugar, and cinnamon. Whisk that together. Yep, whisk it together. Whisk it together. About the brown sugar, the recipe originally called for light brown sugar, but I didn't really see the difference in that, like dark brown and light brown, and I even looked it up and it's really no difference. It's interchangeable, they said. But if you want to be safe, get light brown sugar, but you don't need it. I hope Okay, we're just gonna pretend like this is perfectly rectangle. The thing you wanna do is you wanna take your melted butter. You wanna take your melted butter. Oh my god. The next thing you wanna do is you wanna take your melted butter and you want to just like brush the dough all over with melted butter. Now we tightly roll. This is the part I'm really scared of, just because. Okay. So trim off the edges. Trim off that edge. Dude, holy cow. Trim off that edge. And I guess we start cutting it into, slicing it into 9 rolls. Now for what's going to make the cinnamon rolls pop. We're gonna make the frosting.
Tearing out pieces.
I'm so sorry if you're making this along with me. But yes, make sure you let your cream cheese sit out so that it becomes room temperature. So you can literally leave it while you're making the dough and all that stuff. That's a long time. That's not a long time, but it's a good amount of time to let it get to room temperature. Now you're gonna take a handheld mixer. I don't have anything fancy, but if you have one of these, use it. And if you don't, use a whisk, it's completely fine. Add your powdered sugar. Or confectioner sugar, as they call it. I don't know. Okay, so I messed up. I put 1 whole tablespoon, 1 entire tablespoon of vanilla extract. I mean, it still tastes good, but that's the reason why it's brown. Jeez, I should have known. Like, why is this thing asking for so much tablespoon? A little close up, guys. This is how they're looking right now. So we're just gonna let them cool. So I put my frosting inside of this here bag, and I'm just gonna clip off the top to sprinkle it over my cinnamon rolls. But if you don't have a Ziploc bag or any bag to really put the frosting in, it is completely fine. Just put your thing, grab a spoon, put it in the bowl, and sprinkle it over top of your cinnamon rolls, and that should be perfectly fine. Look at that. Oh my God, this looks so good. Ready? It's good. Oh, it's hard. Yeah, I've got something to say. This is very good. Cinnamon rolls are definitely where do you rate my cinnamon rolls? I give my cinnamon rolls a good 7. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you think I should bake or cook or whatever next. And don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the bell notification to be notified whenever I post. And yeah, and tell me if you make this. I'll link the recipe down below. It's not my recipe. Bye.
And Bruce Willis.
Welcome to watch me make a thumbnail.